Alright guys, working on this bird cage now, and I got this main piece. I bent them all nice, as you can see, and I bent them over one of these, bent them over this, held them on there real good. It's just one of those simple things, but got them all to the same contour, the one that I wanted. Got a couple more, I got another one up here, and I believe this, yeah, this right here is the master one. Whichever one. This one, yeah, this one's the master one. And basically they're all, like I said, they're all the exact same contour, so that's no problem. But now basically I just have to cut them to the right length of the size of the birdcage I want, so that I can have all the rest of these be the same exact one as this one. Then every other one, except for this one, gets cut in half right down the middle right there, and then that's that, and then they'll be welded up and be good to go. So basically I'm just gonna hold this guy here and start chopping them up, and that is about it. So let's do it. Alright, got all these ones nice now. Now I'm going to bring them over to the belt sander and clean them all up so they're exactly the same. So we'll go do that. Alright, so I got these all good now. And now we got to cut 3 of them, whichever one I feel is the master one or is the best one, or the one I want most like the cage, even though they're all exactly the same now. Whichever one I choose will not be cut in half, and the rest of them will be cut in half right at the top right there. So we'll discover which one we want to do that, and basically we'll have that done.